aim is to help to prepare an eco-friendly herbal stick using easily available natural ingredients. So materials and quantity I have captured in this PPT. So we followed step. First we have to wash the tulsi with and betel leaves and dry it in sunshine for 1 to 3 days and grind the dry leaves into a fine powder and mix herbal powder with charcoal powder, rice flour and camphor powder. So and add required water and mix it into a mixture into a soft dough. So in this project their application is essential for home remedy for cough and cold. So it's eco-friendly alternative to chemical instant stick. So in this stick the advantage of it is 100% natural and chemical free, low cost and easy to prepare, eco-friendly and it's useful and it's biodegradable and it's present aroma and medicinal effect. So these are all the benefits leaf we have used. So in this project the conclusion is this herbal cough relief stick